Well, first, I chose this project because I wanted to do something with coding. I tried a little bit of coding outside of Bootcamp, and I knew that I enjoyed it, and I wanted to learn more of it. One of the languages that I was familiar with a little bit was Python. And this project, which runs on the Raspberry Pi, is all in Python. So because I had a little bit of familiarity with that, I was able to do a lot more than I might have if I had to introduce myself to it while working. So how this works is it runs on this Raspberry Pi, small, and pretty much it gets voice input from me through this microphone, which it then uses an external engine called an STT, speech-to-text engine, to translate that into text. It feeds the text into the program and interprets that through a series of modules. So for different commands, you will get different scripts activated and then different feedbacks. It then takes whatever the output is and uses a different engine called TTS, text-to-speech, and puts it out through these speakers. So I'm going to try and demo it now. I'm going to focus this to here. Yeah. So that should. Oh, there we go. Okay. So how this works is I'll start it up, and then it'll tell me that it is started. It'll say, "Hi, Elias, how can I help you?" And then it will respond to whenever I say Jarvis, and then it will begin to take commands. So show this. Okay, so I'm sorry, the audio quality isn't fantastic, but what it said right there is how may I be of service, Elias, and this, my name says it out. And now I should be able to activate it by saying, Jarvis, what time is it? So the two beeps you just heard were pretty much where it responds to the word Jarvis and begins to take in, and then there's the response. Taking in whatever it can. It's going to see if there's words scrolling down, whatever it hears, it will pick up. And the two beeps were when it starts listening for a command and when it starts. So I can change that, but I chose 5 seconds because that gave me enough time to say what I needed to. So I finished this project. It took me a while, but I ended up finishing it after like 3 or 4 weeks, and then I got to start working on modifications. So some of the modifications I did were able to make it reboot and shut down or log out of the Pi with voice commands. That one was pretty simple. What I had more trouble with was getting it to remember a piece of speech I gave it and then play back to me when I told it to remind me. So this took a while, but I ended up getting that to work, and that's my second working modification. The challenges I faced when working on this came a lot from the documentation. It was outdated. It was for an older version of the operating system, and so a lot of the files it referenced were not actually present in the operating system anymore. So I had to figure out where to find specific lines of code, specific pieces of text that I would need to edit in order to get Jasper up and running, or how to change those things to Jarvis. In the future with this, I would like to maybe build my own speech-to-text engine, because this one works decently well, but I could get more accurate and fast results if I trained it to only recognize my voice. I started working on this. I haven't gotten very far, but I think I'd like to keep going with that and push on. In addition, I would like to get it to work with hardware. So the Raspberry Pi is able to be compatible with other pieces of hardware. I would like to try and get it compatible with lights or maybe sensors of some sort, so that wirelessly it'll be able to change like the brightness of a light, or it'll be able to read data from the sensor. I had a lot of fun with this project, even though it was pretty difficult at times. The hardware gave me some trouble, just because the Raspberry Pi doesn't have the best onboard sound card. So I got an external little extension that would allow me to play sound better. But I did get through those, and I think those kind of enriched how the product ended up coming out for me, and I think I appreciated it more, and I